It has begun. Bitcoin is going to crazy highs in this bull run. Do you have your position set? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Dimitri Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5 here in Dubai. Hope you're doing well. Gonna drink a little bit of coffee. Man, some good news and bad news, right? Bitcoin's up, right? Waffles a little down, but that's all right. That's all good. We'll talk about that and more in today's episode. And if you're interested in trading, you can head over to bybit.damitrij15.com. Link is in the description below. Let's quickly get over to the news, actually, before we get into the DeFi and the next gen corner of cryptocurrencies, which is the meme coins. This is the news that we're going to be talking about today. Some of the news items. You can see this link in the description below. We'll just start off with, damn. This is not normal for Ethereum. 3 quarters, negative quarters for Ethereum. Quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. What the hell? What is going on? Why you have to go and do that, Ethereum? Why? I don't know what's going on. Honestly, I think its lunch got eaten by the meme coin cycle, personally. Nobody's setting up, there's not a lot of meme coins setting up on Ethereum. The fees are too high and people are just fed up with it. And I don't know what it is. Is Ethereum that bad, right? When I try to use Solana, it's pretty bad too, but looks like people are leaving. Okay, unexpected moment. The Treasury sign falls as Janet Yellen confronts the US dollar reserve currency concerns. This was funny, right? I don't think you can hear this, but basically she was asked, is the policies gonna boom? And the Treasury falls down. And that is a, what's it called? Foreshadow, right? As you would call it in a movie, if you're watching a movie, of a collapse of the Treasury. So be warned, right? It's coming. You can't exponentially grow the debt forever. If you really think that that's the case, if you really believe that they can do that, hold on to your dollars. I'll hold on to Bitcoin. You hold on to dollars. You hold on to real estate. We'll see who's going to win. Oh, damn. China is growing debt, a greater Bitcoin buying opportunity, Arthur Hayes says. Okay, wow. China plans for $1.4 trillion in new debt, raising interest among traders. What? Oh, okay. So we have the US government doing $3 trillion a year, and they're doing $1.4 trillion in printing money. And you guys think that is a sustainable outcome? Well, let's pretend nothing happens. What will happen is the worst. It will be even worse if nothing happens when they print all this money next year. Why? Is because that means they're going to just go, well, if that doesn't do anything, boop, more money, right? And there it is. It will come to an end. This will come to an end, and Bitcoin, right, will reign supreme. That's it. So, hopefully you've got some Bitcoin, or else you're going to feel the pain, right? Bitcoin doesn't need a dollar crash to hit 200,000. Duh. People know what time it is, right? They're going to leave Bitcoin in spades. Okay. 10 iconic crypto history videos you won't believe actually happened. Ooh, yes. Yes, this is funny. John McAfee's insane Bitcoin bet that he'll eat his his little guy. Oh my God, that was funny, right? Bitcoin. That was a good one. Right? You guys should check these in the description below. This is Vitalik Buterin's musical career. Oh my God. I'm sure He wants that buried somewhere far away and destroyed. That was embarrassing, right? Oh, this one was good. The Bitcoin sign at the Janet Yellen congressional hearing, right? Oh my, right behind her, buy Bitcoin. Damn, wow. Roger Ver flipping critics the bird when he was upset and got, he rage quit, right? Boom. Andreas Antonopoulos explains Bitcoin to an empty room. Yes, there was like a few people in there, like a whole 3. It wasn't quite empty. But hey, it was a brilliant speech. You must check that out, right? Definitely watch that. Bitcoin's early days when $1 could have changed your life. Yes, back in the days when I was saying, buy some Bitcoin. There you go. There you go, right? But you didn't. You didn't. Now, did you? And there's a whole bunch more, but we won't go over all of them because we got some more news to go over. This is an interesting chart, right? This logarithmic chart, right? Bitcoin's log scale is one of its craziest chart in the history of financial markets. Yes, because you probably will never see this long-term time frame, a chart like this. Just not going to happen, right? This is a historical chart, right? Where you see an exponential growth consistently at this kind of level in this time frame. Not a chance. So that's what makes it so crazy. And so if you're going to say, well, past performance is equal future performance, yeah, I'm not going to dispute that. But the reason why other assets did not perform as well in the future is because there are several reasons. One, they could create more stock, right? They could create more of that asset. 2, people were behind that asset, meaning there actually has to be somebody managing the asset, right? And so those 2 reasons alone can prevent any asset from looking like this. And so it has prevented. This is why this asset is so special. There's nobody behind it, right? Except you buying it, and that's it. That's it. And second, it is a fixed number of that particular asset. There's no more. It's fixed. And when you lose it, it's gone forever. It's still there. I mean, you still see it, but no one can get it. That's the whole point. Ooh, we're going to go over the dominance later on because it's at 60%. Damn. Okay, guys, once again, I'm going to be in Moscow for quite a while, from the 13th to the 14th at this huge event. Make sure that you head over there and sign up, buy a ticket, because I am definitely going to be there. And it is the Trends, and on November 13th to the 14th, I'm going to be speaking, going to be giving a speech, and also being on a panel the next day. So make sure you don't miss that if you're in Moscow. Remember to head over to bybit.davincij15.com if you want to trade anything that we're going to be going over. Also at rns.davincij15.com, right? Because, hey, you know what? Your government may not like you buying Bitcoin because that means we can't print more money. And because of that, they're going to do whatever it takes to make sure you can't buy it. So you might want to get some ID from somewhere else so that you can. They can provide you with whatever you need because that's what this program is designed for. People to buy crypto. Specifically, rns.davincij15.com. Links in the description below. If you feel you don't need it because you're in a country that, well, Bybit allows, you might want to do it anyways because in the future, it might not allow. Okay, wow. Still wowing, even though it hit an all-time high of 7.3 million market cap before it came back down. This is in the buying zone. I was telling people who were interested, hey, you know what? If you want to wait, that's fine. You can wait. I'm sure there'll be a buying opportunity in the $5 to $6 million zone. And here it is, right? Fluffy, right? There's a little bit of the little negative because right? Because it's priced in waffles and waffles took a bath, right? A lot of people, I got some messages from people saying that, hey, I snagged waffles at the low, the $5.5 million market cap. Yes, I was trying to buy some and I missed it and it just went fast. So just the way it is. PayPay, right? I knew it. Once it tried to retake that red line, it had to hold it or else, this is not good, right? We can see we are trying to battle that level here of 1290 on the price chart. Orc, oof. Coming back down with, Bitcoin and everything else, actually doing well. People are leaving the meme coins, but don't worry, they will be back. They will be back, like Arnold Schwarzenegger. All right, so let's go on to doing some trades. Make sure you head over to bybit.davincij15.com. Link is in the description below. Looking at this, the dominance. Wow. Well, it's exactly where I told you guys it would be. Like I've been talking about this since, okay, let's go back. Yeah, no. Okay, that's from a weird song from what's it called? Price is Right. But anyways, let's see here. At 40%, I was saying, oh my goodness, when we were right here and we did this Wing, I said, oh darn. And then if we were breaking higher, and as we got up to here and broke over this level here, this green level, that was it. It was like lights out. I said we're headed straight up to the 60%, right? It did take some time. This was March 2023, last year, right? And you see, that was like 18 months ago, and look where we are, and bam, it is what it is, right? I was projecting this out for a long time. These charts, if you've been watching my videos, I've been charting this forever, right? I said 60% was the target forever, and here we are, right? All right, let's do some trades. We missed our entry again. This is a second entry miss, and it is what it is. When it's taken off, it's really difficult. If you're like getting frustrated because we're missing the entries and not getting in, this is how you get burned. Do not jump in on a trade, even though Bitcoin is running right now. You need to wait for a proper entry or else you will get burned. Now, if you want, you could wait for this entry and that's okay. But I would say we should reevaluate and wait for a proper entry. Let's just take a look at the liquidity. Let's take a look at Ethereum, another one that we didn't quite enter in as well. We missed it, but just by a hair, right? As it came back down. Is it going to actually, let's reload that as well. And there it is. There's more liquidity. There's a big running move here. So technically, we could do a higher risk trade, right? Right now. Remember, this is going to be a higher risk trade. So because of that, right, I'm also going to redrop if we want, we can go at the entry at this current level here, and just right to keep it at the stop loss at the 13 EMA. But that's pretty much like you're gambling at this point, right? It is a high risk trade because the odds that we don't touch the 13 EMA as it continues to come up, pretty low, right, on the 4 hour. But Bitcoin's in this specific uptrend, so there could be this percentage. The chance of us actually continuing higher is only slightly higher because of this liquidity that it's trying to eat through. And so it's going to probably eat through that liquidity in the short term. So let's just see if that happens. If you want to take this trade, it's pretty scary, but it takes us right into the zone, and it takes you right to the top of, I would say we would reduce our risk to reward ratio so that we don't get burned right here. And there, if you take it to that level, and you could probably take some profits and let it go high, run higher, because it could go to 80K, it could explode higher to 82 and stuff like that, and continue going higher at that point. And so there's your entry for Bitcoin. Ethereum, again, we do not have a clear entry point, but if you want to take a risk here, right? I would go to that specific wick. Let's see, that's less than 1.5%. And there you go. You can do a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Boom. And there you have it. Okay. That's it for today. Make sure that you head over to bybit.davincij15.com. Link is in the description below. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. Cheers.